Hi everybody, the Home Service Pro here. In today's video, we're going to go through some of the most common reasons as to why your dishwasher is not getting your dishes as clean as it could. Well, I'll show you how to clean it and descale it and how to clean the filter that's inside of it. Let's get right after it. Okay guys, this is the dishwasher that we're going to be cleaning and descaling. The first thing you're going to do is open the dishwasher. You're going to grab the bottom rack, pull it out, and just set it up on the counter out of your way. The second part is you see this little circle down here on the bottom. Every dishwasher is a little different, but almost all dishwashers has a filter. That is actually a filter. Let me get down in here and see if I can show you that. There you go. So we're going to go ahead and give this a little turn. Lift that up out of there. We're going to pull the steel grate back out of there. And then we're just going to take a look down inside and make sure that there's no debris, food particles, or anything like that down in there. A lot of times down in this little pocket down in here, there will be, if you break any glasses or anything like that in your dishwasher that might be stuck down in there, you may have to get your vacuum and suck that out. On the bottom of this, if you flip the filter over, you can see it's got a little bit of stuff in there. It's not too bad. We cleaned this out not too long ago. And when we run the descaler and stuff in here, it's going to go ahead, it'll clean up the stainless steel rack, get all that scale off from there, and anything that's stuck in it, it'll dissolve all of that. So we're hoping to get this dishwasher completely scale free. You can see it built up around that heating element pretty bad along the front of the door. And it's just kind of up on the racks and everything from hard water. So this is going to go ahead and clean all of that up. So I'm going to go ahead and rinse this filter out, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I just took the filter, I just rinsed the water through the outside of the screen, pushed it in, and kind of shook it out, and we got all that debris that was stuck inside there. The rest of the scale and everything that's on this filter will rinse off with the descaler that we're going to run through it. So we're going to go ahead and put this back together. Get that moved back around so you can get the filter back in there. Lock it in, make sure it's locked in. There we go. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and put our bottom rack back into the dishwasher. All right. Okay, this is the descaler that we're going to use in the dishwasher. On the back, there is step-by-step directions on how to do this. We're going to go ahead and remove the sticker from the top of the bottle. And you can see there's a wax plug down inside there. So what happens is when we put this in the dishwasher, that wax plug will melt out and the liquid that's in this will distribute itself through the dishwasher as it needs to. So we're going to go ahead and put this in. You put it in upside down, just like that. We're going to go ahead and put that to where it stays level. There we go. Just like that. And then we're going to go ahead and set the dishwasher. We want to make sure that we're on pots and pans because that's our hottest cycle. We want to go ahead and shut our heat dry off and then hit our play button on the dishwasher and we should be good to go. We're going to go ahead and close the door. And we're going to let that run through a full cycle. As soon as that's done running, we'll see how we did. All right, guys, so the dishwasher has completed its cycle. Let's take a look and see how it did. I'm going to go ahead and remove that lower rack so we can get a better look at where all the calcium was. Well, that looks about 100 times better. All that calcium is gone, all along the bottom of the door, all around the heater. I think it did pretty good. Well, there you go, guys. We got the dishwasher descaled, cleaned, the filters cleaned out, and it's ready to go. Well, there you go, guys. We got the dishwasher. It's descaled, cleaned, the filters cleaned out, ready to be used. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to the channel. It helps us grow. And remember, have a great day and you got this. We'll see you on the next one, guys. Thanks.